Welcome to this explainer. Right off the bat, if you've been hanging around the financial tech space lately, you know exactly how insanely complex a trader's workflow has gotten, right? Well, today, we're unpacking a massive evolution. We're going to look closely at the shift from a frustrating, super fragmented trading tech stack into one unified AI brain. Specifically, we're diving into the IQ Trading Brain solution, analyzing how it completely reimagines the way you interact with the markets and what it actually means for your daily routine.
So let's start with a really direct question that the source material hits us with right out of the gate. Have you been grinding away, trying to find success, using all the standard tools, but you just aren't getting there? Look, by now you've probably spent countless hours staring at indicators on TradingView or messing around with MetaTrader 5 setups. Maybe you've even taken a shot at those funded prop firm evaluation accounts. You know the drill. Taking screenshots of your charts, uploading them to AI chatbots, basically begging the AI for some kind of edge. But here's the reality. Juggling all these disconnected pieces, it rarely leads to consistent results for the average retail trader.
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1, the retail trading struggle. Historically, to even stand a chance, retail traders have had to spend weeks, literally weeks, learning completely different software ecosystems. And on top of that, they're bleeding capital on recurring fees. To really grasp the leap forward here, we need to look at this comparison. The old way is basically a patchwork quilt. You've got disjointed apps, you're manually feeding screenshots to an AI, and you're stuck on this hamster wheel of paying for trading group subscriptions just to get signals. It's exhausting. But the new way, according to the IQ Trade documentation, it's all about integrated systems. It brings automated AI analysis right to your own desktop, replacing those annoying monthly fees with a simple one-time setup. It essentially shifts the heavy lifting from you back to the technology where it belongs. Moving right along to Section 2, combining your tech stack. And this brilliantly illustrates why combining your tools is absolutely crucial right now. You literally cannot find success if your market analysis lives in one app, your strategy design is in another, and your trade execution is lagging way behind in a third. It just doesn't work. Check out the specific roles laid out here. TradingView? That acts as the eyes of your operation. It's where your flagship strategies and indicators are actively watching the crypto and forex markets. MetaTrader 5? Those are the hands. Using tools like Bridge Expert Advisors and copiers, MT5 handles the actual physical execution of the trades. And sitting right at the center of the whole shebang is the Claude code setup, acting as your central hub or the alpha brain. Once you piece these together, you don't have clunky, disjointed software anymore. You have a unified, intelligent machine. Which brings us to Section 3, meet the trading brain. So meet the IQ Trade Trading Brain solution. Let's actually define what we're talking about here. The trading brain is an integrated, localized AI setup, custom-built for traders who are just sick and tired of fragmented tools. Instead of you frantically clicking between a web browser, a desktop app, and a chat window, this system analyzes the markets, designs the strategies, and then deploys the trades automatically. It completely replaces that awful process of trying to duct tape your trading workflow together. So you're finally free to focus on high-level strategy instead of micromanaging software. A real game changer. Let's look at how this happens. Section 4, your local AI setup. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This integration sounds like a complete technical nightmare. But here's the thing. The IQ Trade team actually handles the heavy lifting for you. You don't have to stress over complex coding or figuring out API webhooks yourself. Let's move to and see how this builds step by step. There are 3 distinct phases. Step 1, the team sets up the AI directly on your local PC. Step 2, they create what they call the alpha, which is basically the specific knowledge package the AI needs so it actually understands trading concepts. And step 3, they physically connect this AI to your MetaTrader 5 terminal and your TradingView account. The loop is completely closed for you, one and done. Next up, Section 5, automating MT5 and TradingView. Once that setup is finished, the capabilities are honestly incredibly impressive. Because the whole system is interconnected, you can literally just ask it to analyze the market for you. It can design brand new expert advisors, backtest and optimize your strategies, and then, this is the crazy part, actually deploy those EAs straight into MetaTrader 5 or set up indicators in TradingView. It can even place the trades for you. For instance, using their Bridge EA technology, it catches signals from TradingView and executes them in MT5 automatically. Or if you use their copier EAs, a master account can instantly duplicate trades across multiple slave accounts. That is absolutely perfect for managing several prop firm accounts at the exact same time. The grunt work of execution is totally automated. But notice the emphasis on the word localized here. The entire system lives exclusively on your personal PC. In an era where literally everything is being pushed up to the cloud, this is a very deliberate choice for control. The AI brain, the trading terminals, they all reside right there on your own hardware. You command it locally. That means you retain the ultimate oversight of the infrastructure that's running your trading logic.
All right, Section 6, Zero Monthly Subscriptions.
So the crucial point is right here, and it represents a massive financial pivot away from those legacy modular kits. Look at that number, 0. 0 monthly subscriptions. The trading brain model uses a single one-off setup fee, no reoccurring tax hitting your credit card month after month just to keep your tools turned on. Once the team sets up the AI, loads the alpha knowledge package, and connects your MT5 and TradingView on your local machine, the system is yours to run. No ongoing licensing fees paid to them. It's a huge, huge shift in value for the retail trader.
Let's transition over to Section 7, Risk and Reality.
Of course, we have to stay grounded in the realities of the financial markets here. As the IQ Trade terms of use explicitly state, trading foreign exchange and cryptocurrencies carries a high level of risk. Automated systems can fail. You remain solely responsible for any trades. Listen, it is absolutely crucial to understand that this technology is an algorithmic educational tool. Yes, it operates on historical and real-time data, but past performance and back-tested optimization are absolutely never a guarantee of future profit. Markets change, broker connections drop, systems can act weirdly. You always need to test everything on a demo account first. At the end of the day, you are the one firmly in the driver's seat. Which leaves us with this final thought. Are you ready to stop juggling subscriptions, ditch the disjointed apps, and let a localized AI brain streamline your trading? If you're ready to eliminate that friction and see how a localized Claude code setup can shift your entire trading paradigm, head over to iqtrade.ai to learn more. Keep learning, stay curious, and thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.